Today I'm going to show you how you can prepare avial in a very short time in a Samsung Smart Microwave Oven. This model is Samsung MC32B7382QD. This oven can cook Indian recipes in remarkably short times. Avial is a South Indian dish made from vegetables and coconut sauce. Traditionally, the vegetables have to be boiled in a pressure cooker on a gas stove. In this microwave, cooking is much faster. I have got all the ingredients laid out here on the table. I will now show you the cooking process. So I have got vegetables, then I have got coconut, grated coconut, green chili, curry leaves, jeera, a cup of curd, turmeric powder and salt to taste. I'll be using plenty of coconut oil. This is a microwave safe dish in which I will be cooking these vegetables and doing the finishing touches. In this microwave safe bowl, I'm going to add all the vegetables. This is yam or chenakilangu, beans. These vegetables have been chopped to the right size, about 1 inch, so that it cooks easily in the microwave. Then brinjals, banana or plantain, vadaka, pumpkin, carrots, peas, drumsticks, drumstick is cut to small pieces like this, drumsticks, and that's it. So this is the amount of vegetables which I'm going to use to make avial. I will be cooking this in the microwave. Add turmeric, salt, water, cover it with the lid and head over to the microwave. This is a smart microwave oven. It has got recipes for cooking vegetables here. Vegetables oblique rice, that is Indian recipe 1.2. I will place it in the oven. And this microwave can be controlled by a phone also. I've shown you a video in how I could control the recipes cooking in the microwave oven. But for now, I'm going to demonstrate it right on the oven itself. I'm going to choose microwave, 10 minutes. Microwave cooking. While the vegetables are cooking, I'm going to prepare the sauce. So I've taken about 1 cup of coconut. I'm going to add chilies to this, 4 chilies. Sufficient amount of jeera or cumin seeds. This is what gives the taste. And grind this. Sufficiently grated. Now let's head back to the microwave to turn our attention to the microwave for the vegetable cooking. You see how short it's not taking much time. The grinding of the paste is over in less than a minute. The microwave is showing signs of cooking. Open it, pull the lid and stir the vegetables. After the vegetables are cooked, I'll be adding this grated masala into that and cooking it one more time. And finally, I'll be adding curd or yogurt. This is 1 cup of normal yogurt. Seasoning it with curry leaves, which will be done on the gas stove. I am readying things for the sauteing. This is coconut oil in a kadai. I'll be sauteing curry leaves in this when the vegetables are cooked in the oven. When the vegetables are cooked, I will add this grated masala consisting of coconuts, jeera and 4 chilies. And finally I'll be adding curd, and I will not cook excessively after adding the curd. 5 seconds more. Seems to be cooked. Now I'm going to drain the excess water from this microwave bowl. Take it out. I'm going to add this grated coconut paste inside. Coconut, jeera and everything else. Not much water was remaining, so we can use this water. Cook it additionally. Indian recipes, curry, in this you have to stir it periodically. It is going to beep now. At this stage, I will open the lid, taste it and add some salt according to requirement. Taste it. Needs a little bit more salt. Mix it. Press start again. And in the final minute, I will add curd and saute it later. Once more the beep. To inspect it and stir it. Seems to be cooking. And I can get the aroma of the avial. Can you see that steam? This is how avial got its name. The tale goes that a king was passing by in a paddy field where he came across a aroma of something cooking. So he went to the farmer who was there and asked him, "What is it? What is this great aroma from?" So the farmer was from Kerala, and he said, "Ejamane avila." That means it is in the steam. Vegetables cooking in the steam, and that is how avial got its name. It's basically a Kerala dish, but it is cooked all over Tamil Nadu. There are so many varieties of avial. Some adding tamarind, some adding coconuts, some adding garlic, and many more varieties. There's a Tanjore avial, Palakkad avial, Trivandrum avial, Tirunelveli avial, many more. Let's taste it. Salt is sufficient. Beans and carrots are well cooked. It's quite spicy. When I add curd and coconut oil, the spice will be nullified. So I'm going to add curd into this. I've added about a cup of curd. Mix it up. I will close this, cancel this mode of cooking, and just go to microwave and cook it for just 1 minute. Microwave, because you don't want, if you cook it too much, this curd will start splitting. While that is cooking, I'm going to light the gas stove. I've taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add jeera seeds. Curry leaves. You heard the microwave, it has come to a halt. Switch it off and add the saute to the avial. That's Kerala style avial with lots of coconut oil and lots of vegetables. This is the recipe for cooking avial Smart Things app. Coconut, cumin seeds, green chili, water, and these are the vegetables. And these are the steps. Cut all the vegetables into small size. Grind coconut masala into a paste. Add all the vegetables in a microwave safe bowl and cook for 10 minutes. When the microwave beeps, strain the boiled vegetables. Separately add all the ingredients in another bowl and press stop. Cooking will finish. Serve with steamed rice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Try out this recipe. Share it with your friends. If you like to see more cooking videos, subscribe to my channel AK Venkatachalam. I will see you in another video. Cheers.